Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Myself Hari Prasanna. In today's video, I will explain how to use automatic climate control system in our car properly. Most of the time, whenever we are using climate control system, it will enter into semi-auto mode instead of fully auto mode. So how we can run our AC in fully auto mode instead of semi-auto mode during daily usage? So let us start how we can run the AC in fully auto mode. So in this video, I am using the Ford Freestyle car. The steps to on automatic AC is very similar in other brand cars also. You can slightly manipulate the procedure and you can use it. First of all, switch on the ignition, then press auto button directly and you can set the desired temperature. The second procedure is you can press the power button, then you can press auto button, then you can set the desired temperature to be maintained inside the cabin. That's it. This will turn on your AC in fully auto mode. Let's learn how climate control system will work in a car. So control module of AC will receive various signals from the sensors like ambient temperature sensor, in-car sensor, sunlight sensor and mode actuator positions, all these. By having all this data, it will try to maintain the required mode and also the required temperature inside the cabin. Please remember, when auto mode is on, if you press any of the following buttons, the auto mode will get cancelled and AC will be changed into semi-auto mode. For example, so let me change the blower speed. Yes, the auto mode got cancelled. Similarly, if I press the mode button, leg mode or face mode button or rear defroster button or recirculation button, the auto mode will get cancelled and it will change into semi-auto mode where your automatic controlling, climate controlling will be disabled. Finally, we have reached the conclusion section. So the conclusion is, if you set the AC in fully automatic mode, so the complete operation of maintaining the cabin temperature will be controlled by the control module, where in the other side it gives very much convenience to the driver, where driver can completely focus on road instead of operating the AC controls like a manual AC, and also he can enjoy the driving with the set cabin temperature. That's all from my side. For more such type of informative videos on cars, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.